Hey team, what's happening? I'm pretty ecstatic to show you this DIY project. Since you can tell by reading the title of the video, I won't pretend like it's a surprise. We're going to be making your very own balance board, or Rolla Bolla board. Let's get started. Why are we making a balance board? Well, for starters, I'm biased here, but they're super fun. Balance boards are one of my all-time favorite toys, mostly for the versatility. It's a blast coming up with different ways you can stand, jump, turn, squat, or whatever. Second, it's a way to expand your mind and another skill to develop, which is what I'm all about. Even though it's called a balance board, I'm not going to advocate that it develops balance. Balance is very specific, and like how I spoke about it in my handstand video, it doesn't translate well to different apparatuses. Just because you can balance on a balance board doesn't mean you can balance on one foot or walk a tightrope or anything like that. The motor patterns you develop on a balance board are great for learning how to use a balance board, but not much else, with a few exceptions. But whatever, who cares? The fun is value in itself. I have my own preferences on brands and styles, but that's not what we're talking about. Today we're going to make a Rolla Bolla board. A Rolla Bolla board has a cylindrical base or roller and then a plank on top. We're going to assemble one of these with stuff you can find around your house. What you'll need is an empty 2-liter soda bottle. You can probably use a wine bottle as well, but I didn't test this. And remember, this is going to be our roller, so we're going to put all of our weight on it. Breaking glass is a little bit more devastating than crushing plastic. Unless you have plastic wine bottles, then you're fine and I like your style. You'll also need a plank of some sort. I found this in my basement and it's just shy of 2 feet, but it'll do. I also thought of using cutting boards. If no one minds you putting your feet on this and it can hold your body weight, I don't see it could be an issue, but this plastic one bends way too much. I wouldn't recommend it. And the last thing you'll need is running water. In order for our Coke bottle to be our roller, we have to make it more solid. You'll see when I squeeze the bottle, it collapses. Even when I tighten the cap and keeping that air in, it still compresses to a fair amount. This is because air or gas is compressible. But what's not compressible is water. Fill the bottle up with water. Even if you have a wine bottle, fill the bottle up with water and make sure you have a screw-on cap. And when I say fill the bottle up with water, I mean fill it all the way up to the very tippy top. Any air trapped in that bottle will compress when the load is being put on it, so the more you can push the air out by putting water in, the better. You might find that you have dents in your bottle like this. These are no good. To get them out, fill the bottle with water, close it, and then push down on the bottle. You might find dents present themselves elsewhere, and that's okay. Just take the bottle, unscrew it, the dent should come right out, but then you're going to have to put more water in the bottle to get that volume back up. And remember, fill it all the way up to the tippy top. And now all we have to do is close the top. Remember, you're going to be standing on this, so try to tighten as much as possible. Once you're satisfied with your bottle, you're done. You're ready to balance. Keep in mind this isn't a foolproof setup. Take things slow and don't go beyond what you're comfortable doing. You're taking household items and making a toy that you can hurt yourself with. Don't be dumb. Speaking of dumb, let's see what this thing can do. I'm pretty surprised how well this works. I'm a little over 200 pounds and it's holding my weight and my jumps. And it's not too bad of a leg workout either. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start using balance boards and some principles to keep in mind, so now you can actually use the thing you made. But until then, let me know how this works for you. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.